Laura wants to know, she said, whole food plant-based, I hit a plateau for 2 weeks. What can I do? Should I exercise more? Yeah, I think a lot of people are struggling with those plateaus.
A plateau is a good thing as long as you're not regaining. Hitting the plateau is good, and it is good to realize after a certain time being on the plateau, like I was talking earlier, your system is intelligent and wants to get back to where it was. So it is okay for a short period of time to try to play with your system. So doing a little bit more exercise that week that could be consisting of weight, being careful of not injury, obviously. Or the other thing, another week, another time, to do an intermittent fasting, which doesn't have to be excessive. I often tell people that if you have your dinner at 6 and you don't eat anything until 6 o'clock in the morning, it's intermittent fasting. But if it's something that you already do, then you may want to experience a little bit more and attempt to do a 16 hours or a 24 hours just to play and see if you're going to be able to challenge your body to do it differently. So I don't say that plateau is not good. It's actually good as long as you don't regain. Do not get discouraged, and you can attempt a few little things like that.
Yeah, I think so many people worship the scale.